I'm telling everyone this is gonna be an interesting day because you know why? He knows why. We live on an ice rink now. It's just pure sheet of ice. So we're all gonna have to be very careful, especially the squirrels. I'm worried about them with predators. Yeah, it's just a pure sheet of ice, so I'm worried if something comes along, we're in trouble. I can't break all this up. It's too much. I gotta go handle the morning business over here. And I gotta do my job. This is Smokey, you guys. Is Smokey not so much? He's so much like Brown Feet. Cracks me up. We're gonna play Guess That Squirrel. Can't believe the zoom. I think that's the girl up on, there's a branch where she's facing in. So that male just chased that other male away. The black male chased the gray male, then went back after the female. Now here's where narration really gets interesting, when you can start narrating live mating chases. They don't even care that I'm here. They're like, ah, it's just Amy. Why is his leg dangling there? Oh, it's his tail. Oh my God, I just missed an amazing leap. I think I'm missing a lot of this. I'm gonna zoom out. I think we all know where the girl is right now, so I've narrated enough of these that anyone that watches is going to have a real good idea where the girl is. Can you guys leave her alone? We've had way more than enough injuries, you guys. Come on, everybody come down. Please. They're like, yeah, whatever. There's nothing I say is going to have any effect at this point. One right here. That's going to be a male. He must be like, I don't want to use the word runt, but he considers himself out of the running because you got number 1 and number 2 right up here. And then there's number 3 in line, and then there's these guys. Can you guys leave her alone? It's so hard to video all this. Even with a good camera, my fingers are just freezing off.